Most of us experience the benefits of vaccines every day. If you are not at risk of suffering from polio, it is probably because you were vaccinated. Vaccines have helped us eradicate smallpox and lower the incidence of several diseases such as diphtheria and typhoid. We are far from solving all the challenges in delivering vaccines.
We were alarmed to note that while there have been breakthroughs in vaccine development, the cold chain solution for the last leg has remained the same over the last 50 years. It is still the modest cool boxes packed with ice or cooling gels. This is a simple and cost-effective solution, but it provides no temperature control. Vaccines can potentially freeze and lose potency. Moreover, they have a limited life and result in significant wastage of vaccines and limit the length of vaccination camps. We at Sadhguru are collaborating with RTI International to develop and deploy an innovative yet cost-effective solution for this problem. Our solution is a compact, lightweight, and portable, battery-operated thermoelectric container that can be used to move as well as to store vaccines.
RTI is a pioneer in advanced thermoelectric technology. We have developed this technology over the past decade to efficiently cool a variety of electronics, lasers, and certain biomedical devices. We will be applying this technology with other innovations to reduce the battery power consumption to solve this cold chain problem in vaccine distribution in resource-limited scenarios. With our other innovations, we will increase the energy efficiency of this active cooling solution and achieve a battery life of 24 to 48 hours on a single charge.
Our solution will empower the health worker to go to the most remote locations and have extended vaccination camps. We ask for your support in addressing this critical problem with an innovative yet cost-effective solution that could truly enhance the quality of vaccine delivery. Thank you.